Hi, in this tutorial, I will show you how to enable your customers to check out with a phone number and receive order-related updates via SMS. So first of all, if you be logged into your admin panel, then go to Settings, look for Checkout, and right at the top, there should be a section called Customer Contact Method. So for the first section, you have to select the contact information your customer have to input whenever they place an order. And currently it's set to email for my store, but if you select the first option, phone number or email, this essentially means that they can check out with just a phone number. And if you go ahead and save this option, your customers will see the checkout similar to this one, where right in the contact information section, they can choose either email or mobile phone number. And for the second option, with regards to the actual shipping updates, you can allow customers to check out with SMS or email. So in that case, you just have to select this option. And also you can prompt them to download the Shop app, which they can use to track orders status and stuff like that. So that's how you do it. And then just click Save. And that's pretty much it. Now your customers would be able to select whether they want to receive their order confirmation via SMS. So I hope you found this video helpful. And if you want to learn more about Shopify, please ensure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.